In Flutter, everything you see on the screen is a widget. In this video, we break down the most important Flutter widgets you need to understand. Let's start with Scaffold, the foundation of almost every Flutter screen. Scaffold provides the basic structure for a page, things like the app bar at the top, the main body content, floating action buttons, drawers, and snack bars. Instead of building all this layout logic manually, Scaffold gives you a ready-made screen structure that follows material design guidelines. If something like a snack bar or drawer isn't working, chances are you forgot to wrap your screen in a scaffold. Containers. Containers are one of the most flexible widgets in Flutter, and also one of the most misused ones. They allow you to add padding, margin, background colors, borders, rounded corners, shadows, and alignment, all in one place. But here's the key thing to remember. Container only takes one child. If you're using a container without styling or layout constraints, you probably don't need one. Think of container as a styling and layout tool, not a default wrapper to your widgets. Columns and rows. These are the backbone of all Flutter layouts. A column arranges widgets vertically, and a row arranges them horizontally. They both use flex-based rules like main axis alignment, cross-axis alignment, and size behavior. One of the most common beginner mistakes is running into overflow errors. That happens when content doesn't fit, and that's where widgets like Expanded and Flexible come in. Once you understand column and row, building complex layouts becomes much easier. The text widget. This simply displays text, but it's much more powerful than it looks. With text style, you can control the font size, their weight, color, and even custom fonts. Text also supports alignment, wrapping, max lines, and overflow handling. In real apps, text styles are usually controlled through themes and not hard-coded everywhere. Understanding text helps you build apps that scale well across devices. Image widget. This lets you display images from assets, network, memory, or files. You will most commonly use image.asset or image.network. There are properties like width, height, and fit which control how images behave inside layouts. If an image isn't showing up on your screen, chances are often due to missing asset configuration or layout constraints. Icons. Icons are lightweight, scalable visuals used for actions and indicators. Flutter includes a massive set of built-in material icons. Unlike images, icons scale perfectly at any size and integrate with themes automatically. You'll find icons everywhere: app bars, buttons, navigation bars, and lists. If it's symbolic, use an icon, not an image. Buttons. Buttons make your app interactive. Flutter provides modern buttons like elevated, text, or outlined button. Each button has an on-pressed callback, which controls both behavior and enabled state. Buttons are where the app meets logic, so keep them clean and intentional. Mastering buttons means mastering user interaction. This ends our video. If you find this interesting, give the video a like and subscribe for more such videos.